year. I'm not born yet. 1990? Oh my god. I wish I was born in 1990.
I'm gonna have to check that ID.
Oh man. I can't wait to see what she's gonna do. What the experience she's gonna have.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm scared. Whoever wins this game has to buy dinner. Is that a good bet?
Okay.
I'm gonna win and I'm gonna eat tonight because I've been dieting, so tonight's cheat night.
Start with your right hand on the bottom. You want to be as low as you can to the bottom of the axe. Then you want your left hand finger for finger.
Okay.
You want your arms out straight, and you want your wrists locked. You don't want them to
You look
bend.
like a beast, a barbarian.
You guys are gonna be Vikings in
Oh
no time.
no.
So you want to lock your wrists, and then you want your forearms to pretty much do all the work.
Is that a point?
So if it doesn't stick for 5 seconds in the wall, it isn't a point.
Okay, that's a no on Leah. Okay, so what do I do? Do I return again?
So now that she's thrown, you can throw.
Okay, so
Forearms.
Oh! Girl,
4 points?
no, I got 4 points. I got 4 points left. Out the back. All right, this is definitely. Oh, look at you go. Don't mind. I'm definitely never gonna be a woodcutter, a lumberjack. I don't understand. Feeling so good. When the world ends, I do not want her on my team because we will starve. We will never get any food. She will never be able to kill anything. She has no aim. I am the wiener. Okay, we can't leave without her getting one in.
All one motion, yep. So just... Woo! Bullseye!